Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI CHANDA and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys have already known by the title and the thumbnail, I am going to unbox the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale package. So here is, okay, this is heavy. Here is the package, you guys. It has so many makeup, skincare, haircare products. I'm super excited to share all of them with you guys. Alright, I'm gonna start randomly. So the first product I've got is the Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. Last time also I got this. I personally love this. It is waterproof and it's never going to smudge because it's so damn good. I really like it, so thank you for this. I already have one in restock, so another one in restock. Next up, I've got this Innisfree Green Tea Hydrating Amino Acid Cleansing Foam. I'm super excited to try this one out because it's a foaming cleanser and I have tried foaming cleansers before and it's great if you have oily skin, and in summer it's a must have. So thank you for sending this across. I was actually searching कि मैं कौन सा face wash कर दूँ. Right now I'm using the Foxtel one and I absolutely love it, but that is hydrating one. It works for my skin, but then again I was searching and I finally got it. Moving on to the next product, I've got this Beauty and Planet. I have heard great reviews about this brand, not product, brand, but I haven't tried it yet. So this is their onion black seed and patchouli hair fall control conditioner. So I don't have the shampoo, I just got the conditioner, and I don't know, I'm not that excited to try this out because I do have hair botox on and I'm using shampoo they have suggested. So yes, it's a pass. Moving on, I have got a sunscreen from Lakme. It has SPF 50 and this is lightweight gel sunscreen and I'm super excited to try this out. This one retails for ₹570, you guys. If you have tried this one out, let me know what you guys think about it. Moving on, I've received the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I have used it. I love this. It minimizes pores and gives you a flawless, smooth canvas for your makeup, and I love it. It's very, very good. Next, I have got this Health Cart Skin Radiance Collagen Powder, and I have started using collagen powder, but it's from a different brand, so I'm definitely going to try this one out as well. Next, I've got the MCaffeine Shower Gel. Honestly, last time bhi ye mujhe mila tha. I tried it, but not my personal favorite, so it's a pass. Next up, I've got the Nykaa Duo Blush. This is the Get Cheeky Duo Blush. The shade I've got is Brazilian Bombshell. Let me show you the package. Comes with two different shades and the shades are quite nice for NC40. I mean, you can definitely mix or go for a separate shade as well. I'm definitely looking forward to try this out. Next up, I have got the LA Girl Lip Mousse Velvet Lip Color. The shade I've got is Stunning. Let me swatch it for you. Whoa, this is a beautiful shade. Definitely looks like the packaging itself, so I really like the color. I don't know how long this will stay or if this is a very matte lipstick. I don't think it's gonna be matte because it's a mousse lipstick, so yeah. Moving on to the next product, I've got the Dr. Shade Ceramide Plus Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer. Okay, I want to try this out. If you guys have tried it, let me know what you guys think about it. This is the packaging, as you can see. I'm going to try it here. Hopefully it's a gel based one. Yes, it is. Yeah, this is a gel based moisturizer. मैं इतना sunscreen use कर रही हूँ ना guys, I'm sorry. It's a gel based moisturizer and it's very, very lightweight. It just blend it. Wow. It doesn't have any fragrance, which I love. So this has 1% vitamin C complex, ceramide complex and ashwagandha extract. Okay, I'm definitely looking forward to try this out because I really like this type of formula for my skin because I have oily sensitive skin and I'm prone to sweat. Moving on, I've got the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This was so famous. Even now it is. So I got the shade Copenhagen I can't pronounce it. I'm gonna leave the shade name here. Let me swatch the shade. Wow, it's a very nice vampy shade. I've got, I think, more lipstick, which I'm gonna swatch later. Okay, next is the Simple Protecting Light Moisturizer. This is my mom's favorite, so I'm gonna keep this for her. Next up is a sunscreen. It's from Dot & Key, and I was actually looking for the Dot & Key sunscreens. This one and also the watermelon cooling one. So I have finally got it. My goodness, I'm so happy and excited. Okay, this is a runny sunscreen, you guys. Here you can see. Hopefully this doesn't leave any white cast. I've seen reviews and people love it. So I'm looking forward to try this. Okay, it doesn't leave any white cast, as you can see. It's lightweight. Definitely lightweight. Wow. Also, it doesn't have any fragrance. Moving on, I've received the Biotic Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. Not a fan of this, but yeah, it's a pass. Next, I have received the Minimalist Niacinamide Serum. Even last time I got this, niacinamide, it's not my thing, so it's a pass. Moving on, I've got this LA Girl Hydrating Mist Dragon Fruit. I have to try it out. I'm not gonna use it on my skin right now. Okay, it smells so good. Moving on, I've got the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Again, this primer is very, very good. Silicone based. So if you have oily skin, you can definitely go for it. Alright, next I've got this Pigment Play Glitter Eyeshadow Palette. Alright, I'm gonna swatch few shades. This pink is creaming. Then, oh wow. This one, oh my goodness. And also this gold. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna swatch it here. So beautiful. And this one. Wow. Alright, moving on. I have 3 lipsticks, so I'm gonna swatch it. So this is the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. The shade I've got is Mocha Twist. And I'm gonna swatch it here. Here is the shade, as you can see. Then I've got the Color Bar Power Kiss Vegan Matte Lip Color. The shade I've got is Hot Fire. Oh my god. Look at that. So yeah, those were the products I've got. Thank you Nykaa for sending this across. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description box. And yes, if you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all.